Class 12th, good morning. Today we are going to see in the summary how we will work in a database once again. So come we will see in the database how we will work. So look here, we all know that for the database we need to work on the MySQL. So we will work on MySQL. Come here, this is MySQL. Let me to increase the font size. So go to the font and increase here like that. Okay. So here in the database once again I will release here. If we want to create a database, then we have a two command. First one is a create database, and suppose with my name I am creating. If we are writing here create database Vikas, and if the Vikas name is not created in the form of database, yeah, this database name Vikas is not existing in the web in the database, then it may create. But if it is created and again you have given here this command, here one error came. So here we have another command, create database if not exists. Because this command, it works, it does not give any error, and it may create a database. In that case, if this name is not used in a creation, means because database is not created, so it will create the database, and if it is created, then it may gives only the warning, not the error. Look here, and if you want to see the warning, then here we have a command show warning, and press and clear. So warnings here already you have this one warning message came. Clear. Now if we want to see how many databases are in your database, then we have a command show databases. It will show the name of all databases. If you want to work on any database, then we have a command use and database name because I have entered. In that, after entering, first we have to see how many tables are there. So show tables command we will use. No tables are there. Now we are going to see how to create a tables in a database. So we have a command create table. The table name is a student. In that we have a student ID int. What we have a primary key. Then we have another field name student f name, that is a varchar. How much character you want? I want 40, so 40. Then I have given here next student L name. It is also of varchar 40 or 50, whatever you want. Then I am giving here contact number, so student contact, and it is a what? Varchar 50. Clear? Your table is created. If you want to see that how many tables in your database, show tables. Look here, only one table is there. If you want to see what is the structure of your table, then we have a describe command. Describe table name student, so it will show what are the field name, what are their type, what is the constraint, null constraint, how many they have a no null value, how many of they have a null value constraint, how many they are the primary key, what is the default value. These all things it may show. So these are the commands to create a database, to create a tables. Now we are going to see how to insert the value into the tables. As I told you, to insert the value in a tables, we have a two way. What are the first way? Field by field, means continuous. Value in every field. Second, by selective field only we can give value. So how we will do? Look here. First we will write here command insert into, and table name is about, here I will show student. In this student we have to write directly values, and first value is the integer, so I have given 12. The second, it is here what? F name. So here I am giving my name Vikas. And L name, what is there? It is a Srivastav. So here I will give here what? Srivastav. Then I have a contact number that I will give any contact number. And then I will press enter. Look here, it's showing one row infected. If you want to see the value, already we are knowing we are using the what? Which command? Select district from where? From students. Now another way, what is that? I don't want to insert in every field. I want to insert only the ID that is the important and only the F name. So I will write here name of the columns in which we have to write the values, and then values 12 comma Ratan. Why it is given here message? Because already 12 is existing. So instead of 12, what I will give? 13. Now look here, one more record inserted if you want to see. So thank you class. Today only we have to see about the database, how to work. I hope you understand. You do practice. Thank you.